helicopter shots by MS Dhoni. It's now Dhoni, you can see. Get underneath it. And a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting. Shot. There it is. He's standing deep in the crease and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Oh, well, the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was a hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out of the ground. That was welcoming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watching him retire the weight. Oh, brilliant. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot. In. Goes again. Bottom hand. Over Warner. Second six. Look at the helicopter. Look at the bottom. Wonderful shot. Now work with the wrist, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground. He's... There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective. In the air, maybe safe. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow. Give us time. Let's have a look at this shot. It's gone wrong completely. He's almost sliced it straight up. And look where it bounces. 5 meters and 10 of the over. Goes again. Make it 6 more. 16 of the over. And what a shot again. If the previous one was on the onside, this one's on the offside. You can't keep this man quiet. Wow. Well, they're loving it.